Hi, oboes, Mr. Y here, obviously, with a little tutorial today on the E-flat concert scale. That's the third one in your scale sheet. That's the one we're going to be doing this week. Always, of course, check your key signature when you start to play any new piece of music. In this case, the E-flat concert has three flats in it, of course. You've got the B-flat, the E-flat, and the A-flat. If you remember the super secret shortcut, of course, that's an easy way to think it out. Or you can look at the lines and spaces and figure it out too. You've got the B line, B on the line. You got the next flat on this top space. That's the E, and the third flat is on the second space up. That's the A, of course. So, if you look at the E-flat concert scale, first of all, remember you've got two E-flats here. We've got the bottom one and then the top one as well. So you're kind of playing that one twice. Then the A is going to be in the middle and the B-flat's going to be in the middle too. Most of these are normal ones you do all the time, so it's not a big deal. So I don't have an oboe here today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my drumstick as a stand-in oboe for right now, just to show you fingerings. You're going to have oboes at home, of course. So if we look at the E-flat concert scale, first of all, obviously it's the low E-flat. Now remember, that's 6 fingers, 6 of your big fingers, plus that bottom pinky key with your right hand. Okay, it's the very bottom one. After that we have F. You just pick up your middle finger for the F, of course. Okay, and then G. And then A flat, remember you're going to add that top pinky key on your left hand. It's the very top one out of all the ones you have over here, okay? Then B flat, of course, 2 fingers plus 1. You guys know that one. Then we have C, 1 and 1. Then for the D, remember you're going to go half hole up here on your top finger, but it's all 6 of your big fingers other than that. That's the high D, and then the high E flat, of course, is you just add that pinky again down low, while you keep the half hole up there to keep it up to the high E flat. So at the very bottom, of course, bum 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 bum. For that low D, the second note from the end, of course, you're just going to pick up that bottom pinky key, and it goes from the E flat to the D. Okay. The only other note you have on number 2 that's a little different too is you do have the high F that's a little higher than the high E flat, because on this one it's in 6/8. We're going up in triplets, so kind of the triplet, 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 triplet. There's the high F. That second to last note is the high F. Of course, that's just the high F fingering. Okay, you know that one. And then on the way back down, bum 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 bum. You got the low D again, and it comes back up to the E flat. Nothing too serious on this, really. It's not all that hard. It's right in the middle of the oboe's range, so that's kind of nice. When we do the quiz on it, you can, of course, go as fast or slow as you want to, just like on most of my quizzes. So if you take it dot 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 dot, or even slower, that's totally fine. Okay. What I'm looking for is right notes, of course, and good sound all the way through. Make sure you're doing the keep it green thing, your long notes in general, to kind of keep your good sound up. Other than that, this shouldn't be a big deal, I don't think. Okay. Good luck with it. Thanks.